Hello, this is Lee the Squirrel, and this time of class we're going to do Let's Find Out of page 150. So let's get started. Well, if you saw the Let's Try, you know that it's easy to solve in these three steps. We'll change the improper fraction, then cancel out the numbers, then multiply to each numerator and denominator. So first, problem number 8 of Let's Find Out. In problem number 8, well, first, let's change it to improper fraction. When here it is equal to, well, first the integer multiplied by the denominator plus the numerator over the denominator. Multiply by, there's the integer multiplied by denominator, then add with the numerator over the denominator. So if you calculate, this is 3 plus 2 is 5, this is plus 2, so it is 5 over 3, multiply, and let's see, this is 4 multiplied 6 is 24, and add 20, so this is going to be 260, and adding 1 is going to be 261 over 65. And then let's cancel out each. Well, this one, 5 over 3 multiplied by, well, this is, let's see, 3 multiplied, this is going to be, let's see, 8 and 7, right? 87. And I think 87 cannot divide anymore, so this is 3, I'm making more sure, over 65 is 5 multiplied by 13. And yeah, we can cancel out numbers like 5 here and 3 here. And if you calculate, this becomes 87 over 13. So at the end, we multiply each numerator and denominator at the end. So actually we didn't. It was only one thing left in this case. But anyway, you got my point. It is 87 over 13. So let's go to the next question. So next one here. So change to improper fraction. So the improper fraction here. So there's one improper fraction. So let's change this. And just a moment. Oh yeah, I was quite confused. This is problem number 9, not 29. I was confused, but anyway, 29 and 4 over 7 multiply 10 and 2 over 5. So let's do it. Let's first change it to improper fraction. So there is the integer 29 multiplied by the denominator plus the numerator over the denominator. So multiply by integer 10 multiplied by the denominator 5 plus 2 numerator over 5. So if you calculate, this is going to be 203 plus 4 over 7 multiplied by, this is going to be 52 over 5. So if I calculate this again, well, first let me check this is correct. 21, yep, this is correct. So let's see, this is 207 over 7 multiply 5 over 52. And let's check if this can cancel out. Let's see. Well, you cannot cancel out. Well, for 207, it cannot divide it by 5. And, well, it can divide, but it will go to, it's not an integer anymore. And 2, well, or nor 7. You cannot divide it by 7 either. And same with 52. 52 cannot divide it by 7. Well, what I mean, fully as an integer. And 52 divided by 5 cannot change to an integer. So we don't need to cancel out this one. All we need to do is just multiply these two. And oh yeah, this is going to be a pain, but 35 over okay, this is going to be 104 and 2 zeros, and this is going to be 35. Oh, sorry. This is right. Yep, 35. 35 and 450, and this is 14. So if you add all of these, this is going to be 764. And let's check it out with the calculator. 207 multiplied by 52 is, yep, I got it right. So this is the answer. And let's divide this. Well, do we need, or we need to? Just a moment. No, we don't need to. This is the lowest term anyway. And yeah, this is the lowest term, and we don't, well, it doesn't show we need to show in a mixed number. It can be improper fraction, doesn't matter. So we just leave it this way. So the answer is 10,764 over 35. So let's go to the next question. Question number 10. So question number 10. First, let's check it out if we can change the improper fraction. So, yeah, we should do it. 8, the integer multiplied by denominator, plus numerator over 15, the multiple by the integer here, multiplied by the denominator, 16, plus the numerator, 12, over 16. So if you calculate, this is going to be 120 plus 11 would be 131 over 15. Multiply, this is going to be 80 and this is 92 over 16. So can we cancel out a few things? I think we can. Well, this is going to be a long process, but 131, I believe this cannot be divided to anything. But 15 can. 5 multiplied by 3 multiply. This is going to be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is 16. And this one is 2 multiplied by, this is going to be, let's see, 46, right? So another 2. So this is going to be 23. So this is 23. So that's it. So we need to cancel out these. 2, 2, 2, 2. And other things, well, we cannot cancel out anymore. So this is the lowest term. So we multiply these two. Well, let's begin with the denominator because it seems more easy. So 15 multiplied by 4 is 60. So that's 60 over, and 131 multiplied by 23 is, let's see, this is going to be 262, and this is 393. So this is going to be, this is just 0, 311 over 1, this is going to be 10, this is going to be 3. So is this the answer? Let's check it out with the calculator. 131, not 7, 1 multiplied by 23 is, yep, I got it, 3013 over 60. So this is the answer of number 10. Now let's go to, well, we multiply each numerator and denominator. Let's go to the last question, problem number 11. And problem number 11. So, well, first let's change to improper fraction. So this one is 11 multiplied by 6. I'm going to change to solving this way. 11 multiplied by 16. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Plus 5 over 6. So, let's see. We put an add 1 here and here, this way. Then multiply, well, this is one number. And don't get confused with this number.